Welcome to my wonderful floral workshop, you very, very special people. Now today I'll be demonstrating how to make a floral bouquet, and I can't wait to introduce you to my floral contestants. And we've got the boys and the girls in the house. Today I'll be introducing you to the cut flowers that are male and the cut flowers that are female. And I'll be throwing in a few floral gossip here and there. So I'm happy to get started because I know you are. Now before we get started, I want to introduce you to the whiteboard of what we're going to be using today, and we'll start with the floral contestants that we're going to be using today. Now the first is gladioli, second is tuberose, dahlia, aster, sunflower, chrysanthemum, and the foliage of choice for today I'm going to be using viburnum. Now from that list I'll be introducing you to who's related to who, so we have a few cousins in the mix. And the sundries and equipment that we're using today is secateurs, scissors, elastic band, sticky tape, cellophane, wrapping paper, and, before I forget, tear ribbon. So you ready to get started? Because I am.